Welcome, Blue-Orange Techies, to our cozy corner of learning. Today, we're unraveling the mystery of Salesforce fields, those tiny, powerful spaces where data lives. Let's simplify this step by step, shall we? What is a field in Salesforce? Imagine you're filling out a digital form to order your favorite pizza. Each box where you enter your name, address, or pizza toppings. That's a field. In Salesforce, fields work the same way, holding specific pieces of information in an organized fashion. Why do we use fields? Think about making a pizza with ingredients scattered everywhere versus neatly arranged in containers. Fields help us avoid the mess by organizing data neatly, making it easy to find, use, and understand. For instance, a customer name field helps a business quickly identify who you are. Let's say you're shopping online for a new book. You'd fill in your name in the customer name field and your address in the shipping address field. This helps the bookstore know who you are and where to send your exciting new read. How to create a field in Salesforce step by step. Step 1. Accessing the object first. Let's find where we keep our digital forms. Click on Setup, then Object Manager. Here, objects are like forms, and we're about to add a new box for information. Step 2. Selecting an object. Choose the object or form you want to add a new field to. Think of contacts like a guest list where you want to add a new detail. Step 3. Adding a new field now. Find fields and relationships and click New. It's like deciding to add a new box to our form for something important, like favorite pizza topping. Step 4. Choosing field type. What kind of detail are we adding? Choose the type of field: text for words, number for numbers, or pick list for a list of options like pizza toppings. Step 5. Configuring field details. Give your new field a name, like favorite book, and fill in any necessary details. This tells Salesforce what kind of information to expect. Step 6. Setting field permissions. Decide who can see or edit this field. It's like choosing who in the family can know about your secret pizza topping preference. Step 7. Saving your field. All set? Click Save, and voila! You've just created a new space for data in Salesforce. It's like adding a new container for pizza toppings in your kitchen. And just like that, Blue-Orange Techies, you've mastered Salesforce fields. With these tiny containers, your data is always right where you need it, organized and easy to manage. Imagine the endless possibilities of organizing your world, one field at a time. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. If this guide was helpful, why not give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials? This is Naveen signing off. Until next time, keep innovating and building with Salesforce.